Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, your ultimate destination for raw power, classic style, and modern innovation. Today, we're diving into a true American icon that's making a bold return, the 2026 Ford Bronco 4x4. This isn't just a comeback, it's a full-blown revolution. Ford has taken everything we loved about the original Bronco and fused it with cutting-edge engineering to deliver a beast that's ready to dominate both trails and highways. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Bronco, you'll notice that the rugged soul of the 1979 classic is still alive. Boxy lines, round LED headlights, an aggressive stance, and off-road DNA, it's all there, reborn in modern form. Ford nailed the retro-futuristic vibe, giving us a vehicle that respects its roots but doesn't shy away from innovation. With removable doors and roof panels, this ride screams freedom. Whether you're cruising through urban streets or crawling over rocky terrain, the Bronco looks right at home. Under the hood, the 2026 Bronco comes with multiple engine options, but the one everyone's talking about is the 3.0L EcoBoost V6, turbocharged, high output, and pushing north of 400 horsepower. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts with precision and ensures smooth power delivery whether you're climbing hills or charging down the interstate. Ford didn't just build an SUV, they engineered a high-performance machine that lives for adventure. Now let's talk off-road. Ford equipped this Bronco with a state-of-the-art 4x4 drivetrain, electronic locking differentials, a disconnecting front sway bar, and the signature GOAT. Goes over any terrain modes, including mud, sand, rock crawl, and even Baja mode. Add in 35-inch all-terrain tires and an available Haas 4.0 suspension system, and you're ready for just about anything Mother Nature throws your way. Whether it's deep snow, desert dunes, or muddy backroads, this Bronco is unstoppable. Inside, the 2026 model strikes the perfect balance between ruggedness and refinement. The cabin is built tough, yet it doesn't compromise on comfort. Rubberized floors, marine-grade vinyl seats, and built-in drainage make cleaning up after a wild trip a breeze. On the tech front, there's a huge 12-inch touchscreen powered by Ford's latest Sync 5 infotainment system, full smartphone integration, wireless charging, and a 360-degree camera system that makes trail driving and parking equally effortless. Ford even threw in over-the-air software updates to keep your Bronco fresh long after you've left the dealership. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. With advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, lane keeping assist, and trail turn assist, you've got the confidence to explore new paths without worry. And for those who crave even more, Ford offers the Wildtrak and Raptor variants, tuned for even more aggressive performance and extreme off-road capabilities. So, is the 2026 Ford Bronco 4x4 worth the hype? Absolutely. It's a nostalgic nod to the past, a celebration of freedom, and a technological marvel rolled into one. Whether you're a longtime Bronco enthusiast or someone looking for their first real off-road experience, this truck is ready to write the next chapter of your adventures. Don't forget to drop a comment and tell us which Bronco model you'd take on your dream trip. And as always, subscribe to Car Trend for more raw, real, and revved up reviews.